Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Arden and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today what we've been working on is a VW T6. What we've integrated into the factory screen is a reversing camera. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It keeps you up to date with all the latest videos that we're uploading across all our range of products that we install. So we're going to be talking you through an integrated reversing camera on a VW T6 to start with. We do loads of systems for the T6 in terms of audio systems, tow bars, as well as loads of other solutions. So feel free to get in touch if you want a full solution in terms of pimping out your ride. So what we're going to be talking you through, the radio has to basically come out of the vehicle. Then it's a Nav TV actual module that we integrate in. What that does is a very intricate bit of kit that we use and a really professional outcome as well. So it looks completely factory, also retains, if you have it, front and rear factory fitted parking sensors. You get a visual little screen that pops up on top of, as like an overlay on top of the rear camera. Plus you've also got the active guidelines on the T6. Really cool solution, and it integrates so well into this vehicle. So also one of the really key things as well with this solution is that there's nothing visible at all, and we use what's called a ProFit wedge camera. It's a really discreet camera on this vehicle. We've mounted it right in the center, giving you a really clear, nice image. So if you're interested in something like this, we're based in Cambridge, so feel free to get in touch with us. We'll guide you through pricing and go through everything we need to. What we will need if you are based further afield is either for you to pop in, we can go through in full detail exactly how you want your vehicle spec. But if you are based further afield, we just need a couple of pictures of your dashboard with the media screen on, as well as inside your glove box, just to confirm everything and that we can integrate into your factory system. But if you own exactly the same vehicle as this, feel free to get in touch and I'm sure we'll be more than happy to be able to quote you for that and arrange your installation for you. Once again, thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe by pressing the button below, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.